My Monstera plant taught me something about the way that we've been conditioned. A new leaf was emerging, and as she was coming out, it was hitting the back of another leaf. I was so worried, so petrified. I'm a new plant mom. Okay. I was so worried. I had to go to work. I left. I went to the office. And within those 8 hours, something miraculous happened. The leaves that she was, this new leaf that was emerging behind the other leaves, the older leaves moved out of the way. One went right and the other one moved down so that she could move right here. They adapted. They moved out of the way. They adjusted so that every leaf could get maximum sun. And that's when it hit me. We've been conditioned to fight for the light, to compete with each other, to think that there is not enough for all of us, that God would put us here and don't give enough. But nature doesn't work that way. She didn't forget. We forget. But growth makes space for growth. Let me say that again. Growth makes space for growth. Like I said earlier, I'm a new plant mom. So I have about 30, 40 plants. But what I've learned is that every plant needs something else. Every plant requires, some wants more humidity, some wants fertilizer every week, some doesn't, some hibernate, some doesn't. Like everything needs its own thing. And when I took time to learn what each one needed, they flourish. Actually, they thrive. Have you seen my Monstera? As women, we have been conditioned to water everybody else's plant before ourselves. Water everybody, make sure everybody is okay before we water ourselves. By the time we actually get to ourselves, we are what? Wilted, shriveled up. But what if, Queen, you took time to learn what you need, like I did with my plants? See if you need watering on Friday versus Saturday. See if you need more sunlight. Do you like to be on the side? Do you like being by the ocean? Do you like being closer to the air condition? What is it that you want to do? What if putting you first, watering you first, is the big flex here? That's the real growth. Society has conditioned this, that women over 40 should be put to pasture. You're over the hill. You're all wrinkly and nasty. That's what they think of us. But I am here to push the bleep, bleep, bleep back. Because what we're not doing is hiding. What we're not doing is fading to the back. What we're not doing is wearing black. What we're not doing is forgetting to honor ourselves. This is not what we're doing. This is not that season. But look at these women across the screen. They're not hiding. They're not shrinking. They're not fading. They are taking up space. You feel that? They're taking up all the space. They're taking up all the space. They are moving through the world with honor and grace. And let me tell you something. When you move in the world with bold confidence, the world has no other choice. No other choice but to respect that. No other choice. Make space for your growth. Make space for the collective growth. And make space for the growth of the women around you. It's not competition. Nature has shown us. We just slide. We make room. There is enough for us all to grow. There is enough space for all of us. There is enough sun for all of us. There is enough for all of us. We all can shine just as perfectly. My Monstera plant proves it. Nature makes space for growth. Growth makes space for growth. Stop fighting for the light. Start making space for you, for the women around you, and for community. I see you, Queen. I see you. If this has touched you and you love what you're hearing, definitely subscribe because there are more of this amazing content coming your way.